Alright guys, it's been a while. Back out my backyard, we had a lot of heavy rain lately, and it seems like the yards really came back to life since it's gotten wet and the ground's been soaked. So the signals are really starting to pop out of the ground again. A lot of you know that amplifies signals. Water does. But changed up a little bit of settings on the Equinox, and I just pulled maybe one of my first metal detecting. See what it is. We're gonna look at it. Check it out. I think what I've got here is a cap gun. Oh no, that's not a cap gun. Hey, that's a real pistol. Man, is that thing covered rust. Nah, that's a real pistol. I'm gonna clean that up. Take a look at that. That thing's heavy. Probably weighs 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Sweet. Get that cleaned up, see what it is. That's definitely a pistol. Definitely a pistol. Cool. Check it out in the wrap up. In the backyard, way back in the back of the tree line. I got a nickel signal on my Equinox, but digging lower tones just to see what they are. I came out with this sweet old axe head. Look at this thing. Rang up like a nickel. I think this thing's got some age to it. Clean that bad boy up. See exactly what it is. Huh. Look at that thing. Old. Think I just may have dug my first buffalo. It's a nickel sound. I pinpointed it out. 13 on the Equinox, 1213. I think I may have got my buffalo. I've been looking for 2 years for it. Found everything else but a buffalo. All right, let's check it out together. Come on, baby. Be the buff. Be the buff. Come on, baby. Little spit on it, clean it off. Oh, no shit. No shit. Finally something coming up, man. Start digging them low tones, boys. Get the Justin DePace knee clean going. Yes. It's a V-nickel. Not a buff, but still a V-nickel. Right on. I'm good with that. Sweet. See if I should rub it some more. See what the date is on that bad boy. Come on. 1900 on the dot. Sweet. V-nickel, baby. Get you some. Still digging low tones. Just pulled a nail out of the hole. This is why I love this Nox, man. I just pulled a big old nail out of the hole. And let me grab it for you. Just peeled this big nasty piece of ironed up nail out of the hole. Put my pinpointer back in, and I got a sweet buckle. Already cleaned it off. Check this out. Look at that little guy. Starting to like this low tone stuff. I'll get you to focus. Full of some cool stuff lately. Alrighty, be back with you on the next one.